Hello guys, this is KSCG. I am back, and today I'll be showing you all how to find your comments on YouTube. And this is my first tutorial, so this will be a short video. Now, what I mean by finding comments, I'm not talking about comments that other YouTubers have posted on your videos. I'm talking about comments that you, as a YouTuber, have posted, or as a someone who has a YouTube channel but only is here to write comments to videos that they like or something. Well, you get the point. So it's very simple. For this version so far, as I'm recording this, you go to your history and wait till it loads up, and it shows a selection here, like history type, watch, search, comments, and community. And that's how you find them. I hope you find this video helpful, and I'll see you guys next time.